Hey guys, here I come again with my another set of videos. In today's video, you would learn about the abbreviations used in Juvenile Justice Act. तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो. So guys, here comes the abbreviations used in Juvenile Justice Act. Number 1. CCL is the abbreviated form of Child in Conflict with Law. Number 2. CJM is the abbreviated form of Chief Judicial Magistrate. Number 3. CMM. CMM is the abbreviated form of Chief Metropolitan Magistrate. Number 4. CNCP. CNCP is the abbreviated form of Child in Need of Care and Protection. Number 5. CRPC. CRPC is the abbreviated form of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Number 6. CWC. CWC is the abbreviated form of Child Welfare Committee. Number 7. CWO. CWO is the abbreviated form of Child Welfare Officer. Number 8. CWPO. CWPO is the abbreviated form of Child Welfare Police Officer. Number 9. DCPU. DCPU is the abbreviated form of District Child Protection Unit. Number 10. DLSA या फिर DALSA. DALSA is the abbreviated form of District Legal Services Authority. Number 11. ICPS. ICPS is the abbreviated form of Integrated Child Protection Scheme. Number 12. JJact. JJ is the abbreviated form of Juvenile Justice and Act is a complete word in itself. Number 13. JJB. JJB is the abbreviated form of Juvenile Justice Board. Number 14. NGO. NGO is the abbreviated form of non-governmental organization. Number 15. PIL. PIL is the abbreviated form of public interest litigation. Number 16. PO. PO is the abbreviated form of probation officer. Number 17. POCSO. POCSO. POCSO is the abbreviated form of Protection of Children from Sexual Offences. Number 18. SIR. SIR is the abbreviated form of Social Investigation Report. Number 19. SJPU. SJPU is the abbreviated form of Special Juvenile Police Unit. And last but not least, number 20. TRAP. TRAP is the abbreviated form of Traffic Police Assistance Program. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this would be useful for you. If yes, do like, subscribe and share my channel. And also hit the bell icon to get the latest updates of all my upcoming videos. So bye, ciao, sayonara and sabakher.